Die Orni leben in einem Dorf im Trabanter Grenzland. Dieses gefiederte Volk der Lüfte verfügt über Flügel und ist bekannt für sein Geschick im Umgang mit Pfeil und Bogen. Zu jener Zeit befand sich unter ihnen auch der stolze Revali, der vielleicht geschickteste Krieger, den die Orni je hervorgebracht haben. Mit Link an ihrer Seite brach Zelda also zum Orni-Dorf auf, um Revali zu bitten, den Titanen des Windes, War Medo, zu steuern. Die Reisenden wählten den Weg über ein Schneefeld, um den Kontakt mit Monstern zu meiden, gerieten jedoch alsbald in einen Schneesturm. Auf Links Bitte hin verharrte Zelda an einem sicheren Ort, während er mit Terako die Umgebung auszukundschaften gedachte.
Sie sind also zurück.
Okay, I had technical problems, so sorry. That's why I needed a little bit longer.
Ich werde nicht zulassen, dass ihr auch nur einen Fuß ins Dorf der Orni setzt.
Now, right now. Just a second.
Jawohl!
So I hope you can. Oh. Yeah, I should have been. One side is a little bit sad that you have to fight. I don't know. Is this better? I think that is too much, right? Sure. Is that should be okay? Guess what? Yeah, as you still can see, as have a bit of technical problems. I thought this was much easier. I did once accidentally live stream.
In Ordnung!
And so I thought, oh, okay, easy, but yeah, it wasn't. As I mentioned before, I played of course the demo section of Twitch and of course not Facebook or YouTube. But also the level, I would say it's correct me if I'm incorrect. And in that live stream I will not really... maybe I can see it somehow. No, that doesn't show me on YouTube. There would be I try to make it quick. I have figured that out. The game is too loud. Okay, I put the game sound a little bit down. Good. Rachel? Okay, okay. Okay, fuck, I should first try to make it start. I'm not in a mission, idiot. Longy. Such an idiot you are. And if you ask me why I got my family name, I only thought a little bit because mostly I played Resident Evil 5, to be honest, only, and it's now that game, I think that there's a name, channel name better. I was before known Star is a Bavarian word, there, like English, Star used for example. Yeah. Only, yeah. And if you want that I should shut up, then please tell me.
Überlass das mir!
Yeah, but this is in general louder in the game anyway. Plus, no, minus I think was it. Einstellungen. I forgot to... What the heck? I thought this is in English. However, it should be normal in English. I forgot about to set it back, but I think we are late for that in that case. Ah! Stuck! I have to really figure out
Link!
Especially because no, not especially because no, wait a minute.
Überlass das mir! Link!
Which one was it? Forgot about it. And by the way, not by the way, even not by the I don't know why I said why. Look! Why? No, shooting arrows. What the heck? Ah, good. Also, as you can see, I'm not the very best player or a gamer, especially not gamer. Arrow here to call myself gamer. Okay, that was L and E. What? L? No, R and E. I'm stupid. Yeah, the point is sometimes you don't pay attention really which button is what button or the name for it. You want to do it. After a while. Okay, to everybody who can read or be clearly, obviously I can't, because it was saying the up push B. What? Okay. Going in the wrong direction. I never stupid, but sometimes okay. I see. Sometimes I'm really stupid. Don't see the obvious thing. Jump. Hi, Oni. Haha. It's me, the Link. Anyway, what was it? Okay, but it was not healthy. You hate it when you have an idea but it doesn't really run. As you go to the flow, a little bit faster. But gamer's life. Huh? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Who have more carrots? You want it? Yeah, I learned that already. Also the white spot. Bomb arrows till yet was not a problem to me. But the camera is so fucking slow. Okay, we have bomb arrows. Sick. Oh, fuck.
mich nicht geschlagen. Überlass das mir.
Hä? Okay.
Jetzt zählt es. Zurückgeschlagen. Link. So soll es sein.
Should let go on the map because no idea where I have to go. Ah, okay. I'm not completely in the wrong way. Welcher was noch blieb, war das Schindser? Ah! Yeah, I was running. Doesn't run by the Onis? Huh. Yeah, I did it before too, you know, in Demon, in the second. But somehow it doesn't run right now. Wait a minute, I'm in the wrong spot. Oh, fuck. What I did? I'm sorry. No, I mean my route itself. Yeah, but shouldn't. Hallo, andere Richtung. What info? She made closer? Ah, she's closer.
Überlass das mir. Perfekt geblockt. Na schön. Haltet mich nicht auf. Mit Stasis könnte ich. Jetzt zählt es. Zurückgeschlagen. Seht her. Stehen geblieben. Welch ein Kräftemessen. Und weiter. Stehen geblieben. Nun bin ich bereit.
Playing Impa makes really fun. I only know better with Link.
Haltet mich nicht auf!
What?
Link! Überlasst es mir! Macht euch bereit! Ich kümmere mich darum!
And because it looks like we can talk a little bit right about the game itself. A lot of saying this is a sequel.
Jetzt zählt er!
It is a kind of not prequel. It's a kind of prequel. It is not an official Zelda game, but a lot of games wrong. Yeah, they are working closely together. There's a lot of canon stuff.
Noch gebe
in
ich mich
it.
nicht!
But
Seht her!
not everything will be canon. And even if I didn't play it to the end, I know already
Link!
that, for example, it can be already because only of the one reason you can stop here the calamity. So it can be not completely canon for Breath of the Wild. It is a story game, it explains a lot. The story by itself, so the main story, character, that will be pretty sure canon one day. And again, nope. Not that. But this is not a 100% canon game. This is not that meaning as it's a Zelda game or a Link game. But technically, this is a Hyrule Warrior game. Clearly. But it is not a Legend of Zelda game. I hope. What the heck? Wha- So, how should I say this? Like a fan fiction game, Potter, for example. But that's not canon, even if the story goes and explains a lot. What is missing in Harry Potter, for example, conclusion, but it is not the real official timeline, storyline, whatever. Inside, Nintendo will confirm that is correct. But there we have to wait and see. But is the game worth it to play it? Also if you like kinds of games like that, flashing and slashing games, so to say, then yeah, that is completely worth it. And also this only for the main story or character stories a little bit. Even if it's not 100% canon, it is like with every fanfiction. I mean, makes a fanfiction bad because it's not original, no, it's canon. But it's still maybe worth to watch or whatever. So you have to see the game. Arschloch. Asshole. Sorry. I want to speak English today. But I'm a Bavarian and anyway, Servus, Ayerlangi from Bayern. Jürling from Bavaria. And sometimes we have a little direct between mouse. My Rachel showed me that I already have 3 likes. Thank you very much. Whoever gave it, I cannot really check it on. Pretty sure one of that was for my wife. Correct, Rachel? Huh? Yeah, but thank you to the other 2. 3, or? Du was writing. Huh? Sorry, wait, what's the name? sounded like you're a little bit nerved or pissed. Okay. Wow, what the? Can you please stop shooting one person at me, or do I have to kill you all first? You know we should fight on the same side. You stupid prick of an idiot. Sorry, your own fault. You wanna die too, huh? Little wannabe birdie. Huh? Where's the other one? a big deal. It's also not that hard to learn, to be honest. Only practicing. Wait a minute.
Und weiter! Jetzt zählt es!
Hallo, Korok. Korok. Ah, der ist der Apfel. And it looks cool how she's gliding with a cloak, I wanna guess. Or whatever, how you wanna call it. Huh? Yeah, we're not really a paraglider, they're only like closer glider, yeah.
Haltet mich nicht auf!
Boah. Idiot.
Mit Stasis könnte ich... Seht her! Welch ein Kräftemessen!
Don't mess with the best. Now I'm not the best. Just okay. You wanna die too as the other ever?
Mit Stasis könnte ich... Jetzt zählt es! Welch ein Kräftemessen! Und weiter!
Das ist ja...
Okay,
Na
mission
nun.
completed. Aber es macht nie das.
Mit der Magnetkraft! Her damit! Mit der Magnetkraft! Her damit! Link!
Wait, how like Matt Rivali. You have not so nice name like King. But I think the name is already widely spread in the Zelda community. No, not Eggward. Eggward Egg, or however. No, it's the little guardian, I meant. Eggwordy, the one. Or Ridos. Ridos is fallen in the way. Okay, one is, I think. with best. I think you regard that. Or you will regard that. Out of the way. Ah, the fucking tools. Ah, fuck. It's my first turbo controller. Sometimes take care of it. Or to turn it off. What the? Also, if you don't can turn the fucking turbo off because it's nerving me right now. And I think that doesn't really run how it should be. Normally is it? Nah, I don't wanna have. I think we played a lot. Okay, didn't finish it. Sorry for that, folks. I think it's good enough for today. It should be not too long anyway. And next time I try to fix my technical problem so the IP runs correctly how it should be. Maybe even with me visible. Figure that out somehow. Maybe a little bit messed in the background, or I try to make this a green screen or a blue screen. So I'm not sure if I can handle that. Technically, yes, I know how to do it in the theory, but on a live stream I never did it. So I only did it on my YouTube videos. Thanks for watching, even if I couldn't complete that mission. And I think it's already a decent time. I think an hour long, and I think longer makes no sense. It is not a speed run or something, but it's only possible in 2, 3, 4 hours. I think you have also other stuff to do sometimes as only watching live stream videos. Thank you for everybody who watched me. I hope you liked that one, even if it's not the best one and with a lot of problems. I try to fix it. This was my first live stream. My other videos are normally YouTube videos. You may want to watch them. It would be really nice. I can need every help. I can need every subscriber. Even for, especially, almost I must say, write a comment on it, even if it's only a point to the explanation mark. It helps me a lot. You can do critic. Please do it, but fair, as everywhere else too, as a correct critic. Not only saying you're an asshole because you are an asshole, sondern saying asshole why, for example. Or you are wrong there or whatever. So don't take it so seriously. I mean, I can take a harder word, but it should be not only, oh, you are stupid or whatever. A sum up would be nice, but also a thumb down. If you don't like that, then I know Circle can figure out what people likes, and that will help my channel too. For so far, thank you. Good night, good evening, good morning, whatever time you have in your time zone. And don't forget to look up 8.xk. I think it's on YouTube, it's on Twitter too, it's findable. Limcube made a video, other ones too, so I think you come around. That YouTuber needs help too. May not as much as I do right now, because I only have 37 subscribers right now, I guess. He have a little bit more than player, but also under 1,000, and under 1,000 this is no matter how much we have, 1 or 999. Also, then goodbye, till next time. May I make a little bit more live streams, depends a little bit on the direction of you all, or then later on when I save it on YouTube. And in general, a little warning, I will not talk too much during playing, or when I have to be concentrated. Clearly if I only run around or the loading screen is something different, but yeah, I'm new to it, I have to learn that too. I couldn't read your comments, whatever, even if you made comments, I have to figure that out too, correct? Maybe I will go on Twitch, but I don't really think so. I think I'm more than YouTuber, but it's a personal thing. Nothing against Twitch. I'm on Twitch as user or on-watcher, subscriber, follower, however you want to call it. There are really good live streamers too, smaller and bigger ones. Try them out. And then servus from Bavaria. And Hove die Ehre. I have forgotten to say that the honor in English. Okay, bye.